Hello children. Children, I hope you all are fit and fine with the grace of God. Children, as we have finished with the first term, now we are going to start with the second term. So, take out one diary. First of all, note down the syllabus of second term of English 1 as well as English 2. This syllabus I am going to give you for the second unit test, which will be held in the month of November, as well as for the second term exams, which will be held in the month of February 2021. So children, I am telling you to maintain one diary and write the syllabus of all the subjects in that diary in order to avoid confusion in future. So take out one diary, write the syllabus. This is the syllabus of English 1 for the second unit test, and this second unit test will be held in the month of November. There are two lessons in English 1. Lesson number 10, the adverb, and lesson number 13, the conjunction. These two lessons along with the essay, my favorite food. These three things are included in the English 1 syllabus of second unit test. Now let's move on to the second term exam syllabus of English 1. This second term examination will be held in the month of February 2021. So the lessons which are included in the second term exams are lesson number 10, the adverb, lesson number 12, the preposition, lesson number 13, the conjunction, lesson number 25, personal pronouns, and the essay, my favorite food, and one oral story is there. You can learn any one story. So this was the syllabus of English 1. Now I will tell you the syllabus of English 2. Now children, this is the syllabus of English 2 for the second unit test. Again I am repeating that second unit test will be held in the month of November. So this is the syllabus of English 2 which will come in second unit test. Chapter 8, Clever Hassan. Chapter 9, The Unhappy Bus. And poem, My Shadow. 2 lessons and 1 poem will be there in the second unit test of English 2. So now I will tell you the syllabus of second term examination of English 2. Now children, this is the syllabus for second term exams which will be held in the month of February 2021 of English 2. This is the syllabus of English 2. So lesson number 2, thank you friend. Lesson number 11, Latula the top 1. Lesson number 12, Latula the top 2. And poem, The Rainbow Fairies. 3 lessons and 1 poem will be there in second term examination syllabus. So note down your syllabus in your diary. Note all these exercises which will be there in the syllabus. I will show you the syllabus once again so that you can write it down easily. So children, this was all there regarding the syllabus of English 1 and English 2. Now we will start with the syllabus of English 1. Children, first of all, we will start with the syllabus of English 1. So, take out your English 1 copies. Take out your English 1 copies. In the next video, I will make you write the essay. Thank you.